was afraid. I believed in all their lies. I believed that I was safe and that I would never die. Now I'm all alone, I've been hiding in the dark. I just want to go home, but my deeds sent me too far. I often do pretend, can't you see I'm broken down? I wish this were the end, but I continue, I vow. Now I'm all alone, I'm still hiding in the dark. As sad and souls we roam, we can only go so far. All stay strong, we live eternally. All is well in the Afton family. Lives they fell to pure insanity. All is hell in the Afton family. I never did go near, cause I know just what I saw. Yet on that day of joy, my life ended to their flaws. Now I'm all alone, fighting monsters in the dark. I wish that I could live